If you want crystal clear audio on your YouTube videos or your podcasts without spending an arm and a leg on gear or paid subscription, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how much of a difference audio can make on your content and how you can get pro-level sound even if you're using the built-in microphone on your iPhone. And the best part? Completely free using AI. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. Most new creators think the key to better video is a nicer camera or fancy lighting. But I believe good quality audio is what actually makes people stay. You can shoot in beautiful 4K resolution, but if the sound is harsh or hard to hear, viewers will click away in seconds. Now, don't get me wrong, video quality does make a difference, but bad audio, that can make a video basically unwatchable. I myself can sit down and watch a low resolution video shot on an iPhone, but I can't see through one with a bad audio. The good news? Even if you're just recording on your iPhone, there is a way we can fix that. But before I show you how to make your sound crystal clear, let me give you a few examples so you can see and hear the difference for yourself. So right now, this part of the video you were watching in 4K resolution, but the audio is coming straight from the built-in microphone on my iPhone. No enhancement. It doesn't sound great, right? Probably best I don't drag this part for too long, as I can already feel my viewer retention dropping. So let's keep moving. Now, in this part, I dropped the video resolution to 720p, but the audio is enhanced. Keep in mind that I'm still using the built-in microphone from my iPhone. Pretty cool, right? Suddenly, it's easier to focus, easier to stay engaged, and honestly, it feels way more professional. So as you can see, even if your visuals aren't perfect, great audio can still carry out your message. Alright, let's take it a step further. I want to show you two more clips. This time, the video quality stays the same, 4K, but the audio setups are different. First, we will use the built-in microphone on my iPhone. One version without enhancement and one with enhancement. Then, we will switch to my K66 microphone from Zero Sound. Raw version first, then enhanced. The point here is simple. If you are just starting out and working with a tight budget, you can absolutely get by with the built-in microphone on your iPhone, as long as you enhance the audio as I'm about to show you. The K66 I purchased from Amazon, and it's currently what I'm using. It's a very affordable microphone, definitely not the best out there, but for the price, I think you get a great sound. I'll leave a link on the description below if you wanted to check it out for yourself. Now, listen closely to the difference in these examples. Pay attention to how clarity, presence, and warmth all improve with just one simple step. Here we are again, shooting in 4K resolution and using the raw audio from the built-in microphone on my iPhone. Now let's flick the switch. You hear that? Even using the built-in microphone on your iPhone, a little enhancement goes a long way. Now, I'm recording using my K66 microphone, which already gives you pretty solid audio output out of the box. But what if I want to take it up a notch? Done. And it didn't cost me a thing. Pretty cool, right? Now, let me show you how to make your audio sound like this, even if all you got is your phone. The tool I use is called Adobe Podcast Enhance. It's an AI-powered tool that takes your regular audio and makes it sound like it was recorded in a professional studio. And the best part? It's completely free. Let me show you how it works. The first step here is you will need to extract the audio from your footage. There are multiple ways you can do this, but the easiest is using your video editor. I myself use CapCut, but this will work for any other software. Here I am in CapCut. I've got my final video ready to export. That still has the raw audio. So I go into export on the top right corner and I make sure I uncheck video and just leave audio checked. And then select the folder where I want to save the audio and hit export. Once we have the file ready, we head into Adobe Podcasts. In here is really simple. Basically, we just need to upload the audio that we downloaded from CapCut. Once you have the audio uploaded here, Adobe Podcasts will do its magic and we will have the final version ready to download shortly. All right, once your file is ready, you just click download. Then back into CapCut, we're going to go into our timeline and you're going to right click on our video, and then we're going to choose extract audio. And then we're going to click on our audio, we're going to hit delete and then import the audio that we downloaded from Adobe Podcasts. Bring it to our timeline, make sure it lines up with the video, and that's done. I usually like to do this as a last step of my editing process, because then I'll have the audio already the way I want with all the cuts that are done along the way. So that's how you can make your audio sound clean, clear, and professional, even if all you have is your phone. Remember, people will forgive bad video, but they won't forgive bad audio. Fixing your sound is one of the fastest ways you can level up your content here on YouTube. And if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025, but you are feeling a bit afraid, I actually made this video right here where I share what I did to push past the fear and start my YouTube journey with confidence. I will see you out there. Thanks for watching.